What if you could use AI to build a real online income, starting this week? In this video, I'll show you the exact AI tools people are using right now to make real money online. I've researched the best methods, and the results are wild. We'll break down 5 tools, step by step, so you can follow along. Some people are freelancing from their bedrooms, others are building businesses that earn while they sleep. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's about getting smart with new tech. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to making your first $100 a day online using nothing but AI. Let's dive in with the most famous tool on the planet. First up, ChatGPT, the king of AI. You've probably used it for fun, but it's also a goldmine for freelance writing and content services. Every business needs content, blog posts, articles, social media updates, website copy. You don't need to be a pro writer, just a smart AI prompter. Take a client's request, feed it into ChatGPT, refine the output, and deliver high-quality content. Businesses pay hundreds for articles. With ChatGPT, you can create one in minutes. Charge $20 for a 1,000-word article. Sell 5 a day, and you've hit $100. Find clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or by emailing small businesses with outdated blogs. Offer irresistible deals. 5 articles for $100. You're selling a solution, helping businesses grow online, faster and cheaper than ever. The secret? Get good at prompting. Specify tone, audience, keywords. The better your prompts, the better the results. Deliver great work, and clients will come back for more, maybe even on a monthly retainer. 10 articles a month for $200. Now you've got recurring revenue. Land a few clients and you're building a real business. Startup costs? Almost zero. ChatGPT's free version is powerful. All you need is a laptop and the drive to find your first clients. Don't overthink it. Just start. Create a profile, send emails, land your first gig. This is the lowest hanging fruit in the AI economy. You're not just selling words, you're selling growth. Businesses want results and you can deliver them fast. Experiment, improve, and scale up as you go. The opportunity is huge, and it's available right now. Take action, and you could be making $100 a day before you know it. Ready for the next tool? Let's get creative. Not a writer? No problem. Let's talk AI image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E. These tools turn text prompts into stunning art in seconds. People are using them to create designs for t-shirts, posters, mugs, and more, then selling them online. Here's the trick. Print on demand. Upload your design to Printify or Redbubble, and they handle printing and shipping. You earn royalties. Passive income at its finest. Do the creative work once, and your designs can sell for months. Imagine waking up to sales you made while sleeping. Let's do the math. Create a cool t-shirt design, sell it for a $10 profit. 10 sales a day, show $100. One hit design can get you there, but you'll make dozens or hundreds to increase your odds. The secret? Go niche. Fishing, books, pets. Find passionate communities. Use AI to test ideas fast. Generate 10 designs in minutes, upload, and see what sells. It's a numbers game, and AI lets you play faster than ever. Expand beyond shirts, posters, coloring books, digital stickers. The possibilities are endless. Your creativity plus AI is a powerful combo. Action plan. Sign up for an AI image generator. Get a print-on-demand account and start uploading designs in a niche you love. The more you upload, the more you can earn. This is a marathon, not a sprint, but it's a marathon with real passive income at the finish line. Don't wait for perfection. Just start creating. Let the market tell you what works and double down on your winners. You don't need inventory, shipping, or design experience, just ideas and AI. Build your portfolio and watch your side hustle grow. Ready to automate even more? Let's move to the next tool. AI art is changing the game. Jump in now. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Your next $100 could be just one design away. Let's see how AI can save businesses time and make you money. Love solving problems? Meet automation tools like Zapier and Make. These connect apps and automate tasks. No coding needed. Every business has boring, repetitive tasks they'd love to eliminate. You can be the hero who automates them. Become an automation specialist, learn the basics, and you're ready to help. Example, a store owner manually enters shipping info. You set up a Zap to automate it for a $100 setup fee. You save them hours, they happily pay. Once you know the tools, each setup might take just 30 minutes. Do 2 a day, and you're at $200. As you get better, tackle bigger projects. Automate lead nurturing, email follow-ups, and more. Advanced freelancers charge thousands for complex automations. Start by automating your own life. Learn by doing. Then, find clients on freelance sites or by reaching out to small businesses. Listen for pain points. Manually, copy and paste. Every day I have to. Those are your opportunities. The demand is huge, and the skill is in short supply. Learn, automate, and get paid, fast. Next, let's see how you can build a YouTube channel without ever showing your face. Want to be a YouTuber but hate being on camera? AI video tools like InVideo, Pictory, and Synthesia have you covered. These platforms let you create entire videos, voiceover, music, stock footage without filming yourself. Build a faceless content channel in any niche. History, finance, meditation, stories, and more. Write scripts yourself or use ChatGPT, then let the AI turn them into finished videos. Paste your script, and the tool finds matching visuals and reads it aloud. In minutes, you have a professional video ready to upload. The goal: build a channel, get it monetized, and earn passive income for years. Consistency is key. Upload more videos, increase your chances of going viral. Pick a niche people search for: top 10 lists, historical stories, meditations, or educational explainers. You can produce content faster than traditional YouTubers. Build a media brand from your couch. No filming, no editing headaches. Use ChatGPT for ideas and scripts, then AI video tools to create. Start with 5 videos. Don't worry about perfection. The more you upload, the better you get. Monetization comes with views and consistency. This is the ultimate introvert's YouTube strategy. Your channel could be your next big asset. Ready to design for others? Let's check out Canva's AI magic. Last up, Canva, now supercharged with AI features in Magic Studio. Create pro designs for thumbnails, logos, and social posts in minutes. There's huge demand for fast, affordable, high-quality graphics. YouTubers, business owners, course creators, they all need constant design work. Most aren't designers and don't have time to learn. Become their go-to AI-powered designer. Canva's AI lets you brainstorm text, remove backgrounds, and generate templates instantly. Focus on YouTube thumbnails. They're crucial for clicks, and creators pay well. Offer a thumbnail design service, $20, $25 per custom thumbnail. Sell packages. 8 thumbnails for $150 a month. Land a few clients and you're at $100 a day. The real money? Daily service for channels posting every day. Charge $50 per thumbnail. 2 clients, mark $100 daily. Expand to digital products, social media templates, invitations, branding kits. Sell them on Etsy for passive income. Canva's free version is powerful and the pro plan is affordable. No design degree needed, just a good eye and willingness to learn. Start by making free thumbnails for small YouTubers to build your portfolio, then start charging for your AI-accelerated work. The barrier to entry is low and the market is huge. Use Canva's tools to work faster and smarter. Build your client base and scale up as you go. This is a real sustainable way to earn online. Let's wrap up with your action plan. We just covered 5 powerful AI tools you can use to start making money this week. But watching isn't enough. Action is everything. Pick one tool that excites you most. Spend this week learning it deeply. Watch tutorials, experiment, push its limits. Turn that skill into a service or small business. Your first $100 online is the hardest, but once you make it, everything changes. The journey starts with a single step. Start today.